पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम् संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्।
ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधिता भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसुन्दधामि भगवत गीते भवद्वेषिणीम् नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्ण प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीप प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवैत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् भीष्मद्रोणतटाजयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनां वर्तिनी रोतीर्णाखलपाण्डवैरणनदै कैवर्तकः केशव पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरम् हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम् लोके सज्जनषट्पदैर्हरः पेपीयमानम् मुदा भूयाद्भारज पङ्कजम् कलिमलम् प्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। अथ गीता महात्म्यम् गीताशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः पुमान् विष्णोः पदववाम्नोति भयशोकविवर्जितः गीताध्ययनशीलस्य प्राणायामपरस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्म कृतानि च मलनिर्मोचनं पूसां जलस्नानं दिने दिने सकृद्गीताम्बसि स्नानं संसारमलनाशनं गीता सुगीता कर्तव्या किमन्नैः शास्त्रविस्तरैः या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य मुखपद्माद्विनिःसृतः भारतामृतसर्वस्वं विष्णोर्वक्त्रादिनिःसृतं गीता गङ्गोदकं पीत्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्स सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महतम् एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्रगीतम् एको देवो देवकी पुत्र एव एको मन्त्रस्तस्य नामानि यानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा अथ ध्यानम् शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुता स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगा ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तन्न विदुःसुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः। ॐ परमात्मने नमः।
धन्यवादाः महोदय, बहु उत्तमं गीतवान् भवान्। अस्तु, तर्हि ह्यस्तनवर्गे अस्माभिः भावे प्रयोगस्य अध्ययनं कृतं। तत्र केऽपि सन्देहाः सन्ति वा भावे प्रयोगे? भावे प्रयोगस्य अर्थः, तस्य उपयोगः?
Sir, page number 130.
113.
No, 130.
130. Okay.
It's 14 and 15. This Bahati.
Wait. 14 and 30. There is no 31.
No,
Yeah.
Page number 130. The question is that Ganga Bahati. Bahati. How this Bahati become?
No, hold on. Page number 131.
130.
130. Okay. 14. 14 is in my book Chorayati. What is the main question? Yathodharanam Riktasthanani Purayatana.
Question number question number 1. Etani Bhakyani Bhava Prayoge Parivartayat.
Oh.
On that.
Okay.
On that. Okay. On that question number 14. Ganga Bahati.
No, wait. In my book, it is a different this one. Okay. So anyway, now what you can do is read the sentence.
Ganga Bahati Bhava Prayoge Parivartanat.
Ganga Vahati. So you have to change to Bhave Prayoga. Okay. So what is our rule? Karta should go to Tritiya. So what will happen? Ganga Tritiya. Gangaya. Okay, not Gangaya. Gangaya.
Gangaya. Yeah.
Now I will open the Vishesha Dhatavahas. Okay. I will show you Vishesha Dhatavaha. Okay, wait. I will share the screen first. दृश्यते वा इदानीं?
Yes, sir. Drishyate.
See, atra there are 2-3 dhatus, 3-4 dhatus here, which become with va. So that va becomes u in karmani or bhave prayoga. Okay. So vacha becomes uchyate. I will magnify this, zoom little bit. Text width. Where is that? Yeah. See here, vacha becomes uchyate, vada becomes udyate, vapa becomes upyate, vaha becomes uhyate, vasa becomes ushyate, right? These
Okay.
4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The normal rule is, normally we attach ya, but if there is va in the beginning, then va becomes u. And if it is ya, it becomes e. Like here, just before that, yaja, So it is not yajjate, it is ijjate. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So these two. So Gangaya. Tell me the next. This one.
Bahati, so it will become uhate.
Uyihate. You have to
Uyihate.
add ye. Uyihate. Okay. Understood?
Okay, yeah. And
Anandra?
Basanti will become the next question.
Huh.
Ussate. Usyate.
Ushyate. Sh. Vasa
Okay, sir.
ushyate. Now here, what is the Vasanti? Who is the Karta?
Arakshaka. Arakshakaha.
Arakshaka. Vasanti. Huh? So there the Karta is Bahuvachani, right?
Yes.
But when you change to Bhave Prayoga, everything is Prathama Purush Ekvachan only.
Yeah.
But the vibhakti of the this one karta is tritiya, so that tritiya bahuvachan will be there. So
Yes.
arakshakaihi ushyate,
Usyate.
right? There don't make that karta is in bahuvachan and kriya padam is in ekvachan. Don't worry. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. And I have one more doubt. Uh,
Ask.
page number, the previous page number 129, Uttisthati. Balaha Uttisthati.
In the text or in the that
In the book 129, page number 129.
yeah. So here,
Uttisthati, third question.
sorry. Okay. Now there is a, I think, mismatch. In my book, it is a totally different thing.
Okay.
Okay, tell me. Read the sentence.
Balaha Uttisthati.
Balaha uttishtati. Now here, see. So Balaha will become
Balena.
Balena. Very good. Okay. Now the next verb is composing of two things. One is upasarga and dhatu. So upasarga is ut. That will remain as it is. Now tishtati, right? Now we'll go to
Okay.
original dhatu is what is the dhatu? Tell me.
Stha.
Stha. Okay. So here,
Stha.
look here. Stha will become
Thiyate. Okay, got it.
thiyate. And the upasarga will remain as it is. So ut thiyate. Actually, it is ut plus sthiyate. Because of some sandhi rule, it became utthiyate, like utthapanam.
Okay.
Okay.
The meaning is getting up, right?
The boy is getting up.
Yeah. Okay.
But in Bhave Prayoga in English, you can't translate. I mean, Balena Utthiyate means it is getting up by the boy. I mean, I don't know. I mean,
Yeah.
how to translate into English. Bhave Prayoga आङ्ग्लेन परिवर्तनं कर्तुं न शक्नुमः भावे प्रयोगस्य.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
अस्तु. That means I should
So
ask.
one more
पृच्छतु.
12th question. Mahilaha lajjante.
Okay. Now tell me
So,
what will become
in that laj dhatu, no?
lasja dhatu, but it becomes lajjate. Okay, no problem.
If because I saw in that dhatu pata lajate, lajete, lajante. Here is lajjante.
No,
So
don't.
I got it.
Let me open the dhatu part. Okay. Why it is not opening? My internet problem. Sorry. I think the internet is slow. So what is the dhatu you typed? Lajja. There is no dhatu called lajja as such.
It's there to be ashamed, to be shy.
Okay. He actually lasja. The third is called lasja. And if
Laj is there, you can see that. Just now you're typing. Okay.
There, that
no.
Laj is there.
Wait. What I understood is something different. Okay.
Yeah, yes. Go back.
Here I have lajja, but the dhatus are this: richa, trapa, ri, and breed.
No. If you type Laj, I think there is Laj Dhatus coming.
There is Laj Dhatu is there, sir.
Lajja.
Now you can see 16, 10.0 to 16.
No, this is
271.
271. That is not. Garjana is something.
To be ashamed, to be shy, it is given.
And 16.
To be shy is ology.
Yeah.
Okay, lajate. Okay, we will. What is the, because my book is different. What is the this one? Mahilaha.
Mahilaha lajjante.
So double j.
Yeah.
Yeah, double J.
So that dhatu is different. That's what after hearing your sound, I knew that it is a diff. So anyway, take it for granted. There are two different dhatus. One is single j, other is a double j. That dhatu is this. I'll tell you. Lasja. Okay. Here is see lajjate, lajjete, lajjante.
Oh, that Dhatu we have to take.
Okay, yeah. But let me see that other one, what we saw just now. It is lajjante. It is again single j. Though the meaning is same.
Yeah.
Okay. Since they are given this double j, you have to take this. Okay.
Okay.
Lasj. I mean, all the while I was thinking there is only one lasj, that is double j wala. It is, I mean, because who will remember all the 2000 dhatus in one go? So good that you pointed out. But so when you change to Atmanepadi, what happens is remove the pratyaya te. Now I'll open my word book. So the thing is lajjante, na?
Yeah.
So here we have to remove the first thing pratyaya. Okay. This is the one. Then we have to remove the vikarant pratyaya, which is a itself. So we remove this. A is removed now. I have become halant, lajj. And then add ya.
Lajjyate.
And then becomes te, lajjate. And since it is bhave prayoga, because it is akarmaka dhatu, it has to be bhave. It cannot be karmani for akarmaka. So it becomes lajjate.
Lajjya. Okay.
Prathama purusha ekvajan, that's all.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, very good.
Then Kankshati, what is the Dhatu, sir?
We'll see. I will show you. Okay.
So can you also write that earlier one?
Tell me.
That Uttiyate which discussed, no? Ut plus that, how to write? Because that half to or half so and plus thi. Can you write that?
Yeah. Uttiyate.
Yeah, Uttiyate.
Oh, sorry, it's not the, thi. Uttiyate.
So that sir disappears, is it?
No. Sir
Because
disappears for some reason. Okay. There is a sutram, udastat stambho. Yes. Bhagini, bhavati kimapi prashnavichati खलु?
Pardon, sir?
You asked something, na?
Yeah. Kankshati. There is Kankshati. What is the Dhatu?
Look here. Kanksha Kankshatu. Oh, sorry. This is Kanksha Kankshati is the dhatu. You know what is the Kankshati? Is to long for or to wish something.
Yeah.
Huh? So Akanksha, you know, I have heard the word Akanksha.
No desire.
Desire. So to desire, to I mean long for. That is the English. This one. Okay. So this is the dhatu Kankshati.
Okay. Then another thing, Nindayam. Nindayam prashamsayam va saha samanaha eva bhavati is the question.
Correct. Okay. So no, wait. Nindayam, what is the vibhakti?
Saptami.
No, this is.
Saptami. Lata latayam, mala malayam, ninda nindayam.
Saptami.
Okay. Our rule is, other than Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, don't bother about other vibhakti. Keep as it is. So Nindayam. Next is Prashamsayam.
Prashamsayam va tena samanena eva. It is given bhavati. Bhavati should be bhuyate, no? But they are given drishyate. Can that be used? The answer they are given drishyate.
Drushyate, bhushyate.
They are given drishyate in the answer. It is bhuyate should be.
No, it should be bhuyate. Okay, no problem.
The answer is given drishyate.
No, that is if he is saha samana pashyati, then it is drushyate. Okay. Make a note of this. We will bring it to the notice of Sanskrit Bharati.
Okay.
All such errors or mistakes, maybe for some reason or the other, whether typing mistake or composing this one, while writing the answer, the person has written wrongly, and person who has edited that, there may be there are human errors. Please note down. We will point it to we'll bring it to the notice of Sanskrit Bharati after this. Okay. After the session ends. Okay. So now,
Shakaha kampante.
Correct.
Shakabhihi kampyate.
Wait. First. Wait. Please wait. Your pronunciation is wrong. Do you know the difference between Shaka and Shakha?
Shaka is branch.
Not Shaka, the Shakha. Ha prana.
Yeah.
That is branch. Okay. And Alpa prana Shaka means, do you know what is Shaka?
No.
Vegetables.
Oh.
Okay. So Shakhaha. Shakhaha kampante. Now, change it to, what is our rule? Karta will go to Tritiya Vibhakti.
Yeah,
सर शाखाः ये वृक्ष है या ब्रांच है?
या
वृक्ष है,
वृक्षस्य शाखाः. So शाखाभिः. Now kampadhatu. Kampyate. Why T?
Kampyate.
Atmanepadi. Prathama Purush Ekvachan. That's all. Kampyate.
But I want to know that they are given that kampyate, how it comes. The dhatu, no? Kampati, what's the dhatu of that? I'm not able to get it. How this is formed? Kampyate.
No. Wait. First of all, I will show you what is the dhatu. Okay. The dhatu is kam.
Yeah.
Okay. And this dhatu is atmanepadi. And the vikaran pratyaya is a. Okay. For prathama, first gana, the vikaran pratyaya is a. And it is atmanepadi dhatu. So the rule is ante, na? ite ante. This pratyaya. Pratyaya, shall I open that? Adanta antebhya pratyaya. Yes. See Atmanepadam in the Lat Lakar, Atmanepadi. Shall we move this one? Okay. Te ite ante Atmanepadi Lat Lakar. So kampate, kampete, kampante. Okay. So, and with Vikaran this one, when you add Vikaran pratyaya to kampo, this one, that halant will go, no? Okay. So kampo plus ante, kampante. This is in Kartari sense. Now we have to do the Bhave Prayoga. So this has to be added here. So first of all, remove the pratyaya ante and that Vikaran. Now add ya. Kampya. Okay. Now add, because whether the original dhatu is Atmanepadi or Parasmaipadi, that we don't bother. You add only the Atmanepadi pratyaya is here. And in Prayoga, only the first one, te, that's all.
Yeah.
So what will become? Shakha bhi kampyate.
Okay.
Right? So the answer is like this. Shakha bhi kampyate. Right?
Okay, thank you.
But in the Kartari Prayoga, Shakhaha, if it is only one Shakha, then Shakhaha kampate.
Kampate.
Okay?
Okay.
Suppose now I add kampyate and I want to use only one Shakha, then the Bhave Prayoga, kampyate. Not Shakha bhi, only one Shakha is there.
Shakaya.
Very good. Very good. So you have got the crux of it. Shakhaya kampyate.
Okay.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Prachadu Mahodaya.
Serial number 13. Pabam Chayadi.
Okay. Very good.
That is Tritiya Vibhakti Pabena, and Chayadi has become some other word.
Papena. Okay. Now whether I have put that dhatu here, let me see. In the Vishesh Dhatava, here see. This dhatu I'll highlight. Is it visible to you, Narayan Mahodaya?
Yes, I can see it.
Kshiyate. Kshiyate. So papena kshiyate.
Kshayati has become Kshiyate.
Kshayati has become kshiyate. Papam kshayati, papena kshiyate.
Then another one, Eka Sannyasi Asti.
Okay.
There is Ekaha, how it will, what will become that Ekaha?
Ekaha Sannyasi
Asti.
Asti, okay. Right. Not Lya, it should be Na.
Sannyasi Na.
Okay. So, Ekaha and Sannyasi, they are Visheshan Visheshya Bhava.
Okay.
So, Sannyasi, what will be Sannyasi?
Sannyasina.
Very good. And Eka?
Ekena.
Very good.
But here it is Etena written.
That is a typing mistake. Printing mistake or whatever you call. Ekena, Sannyasina.
Bhuyate.
Very good, Narayan Mahodaya. See, I am very happy about you. Ekena Sannyasina Bhuyate. right? Any other person? Any doubts?
Sir,
Sir,
meaning of this sukti. Sorry.
What? Wait. Madam wants to ask something. Yes, Bhagini Prachado.
Sir, just now you said that tishtati dhatu is istha, but in book it is written ishtha, sha and tha. So why, sir, it is different, sir?
Okay, I will open the dhatu part. Okay, you have asked a very
Yes, sir.
fundamental question, right? Stha here, huh? Okay, I have put stha, but here what is
Yes, sir.
dhatu here? Look here. What is at the top here?
Shtha,
Tha. Okay.
gati nivratto. Yes, sir.
Okay, but see in dhatu part, the original dhatu, its name is Aupadeshika dhatu. I mean, for at your level, you don't bother. Okay,
Okay.
we
Yes, sir.
treat this as tha only, sa and tha. But in the dhatu part, for some reason or other, some dhatus have been added with some extra material like masala. I told you, packing.
Yes, sir.
Earlier, I had told you some packings are there. You go to market, buy something, it comes with packing. That packing
Yes, sir.
removed before you use that, and on that packing there are some instructions. Use this if you take a medicine, they say 3 tablets per day or at a time, or as prescribed by the physician, and the expiry
Yes, sir.
date, the manufacturing date, the what is it? Manufacturer's name, the country of origin, all these things information are written on the packing, right, or the label.
Yes, sir.
So we have to the packings are to be thrown out. So here the this packing is that extra sure. I mean, sir has changed to sure. For some reason, it is a packing. It is, they indicate that something is there, some information is there. उसके ऊपर कुछ लिखा है पैकिंग के ऊपर, जो बाद में काम में आएगा, लेकिन उसका एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट में यूज नहीं है. जैसे अब आपको उदाहरण देते हैं, काम नहीं, हाँ, करोति, इसका धातु क्या है?
करोति धातु क्र.
क्रू.
Crew.
क्रू धातु.
क्रू. क्रू.
अब देखो मैं
Okay,
टाइप करता हूँ क्या आता है इसमें. कितने सारे हैं, है ना. इसमें देखिए ये वाला ऊपर में क्या लिखा है?
क्रू.
नहीं, ये देखिए,
डुंक्रून करणे, टू डू, टू
डुक्रुई. ओके, हाँ, एनीबडी नोज भज गोविंदम?
यस सर.
हाँ,
भज गोविंदम भज मते, समथिंग इज, इट इज लाइक दैट.
नहीं, उसमें है ना ये सन्निहिते क्या है?
नहीं नहीं रक्षति डुकृञ् करणे.
काले नहीं नहीं नहीं
नहीं नहीं रक्षति डुकृञ् करणे.
डुक्रुई करणे ना. So that is this one.
या हा हा हा.
नहीं नहीं रक्षति डुक्रुई करणे. ओके, वो गोविंदम अपनी जगह है. जो धातु पाठ में दिया है, धातु एक्चुअली डुक्रोई, लेकिन हम सिर्फ उसमें से जो डू और य है वो फेंक देते हैं. वो पैकिंग है, उसके ऊपर कुछ लिखा है जो बाद में काम में, बहुत ज्यादा, जिसको ज्यादा ग्रामर पढ़ना है वो काम करेगा. अपने लिए काम नहीं है. अपने लिए सिर्फ ये वाला जो हिस्सा है क्रू, वही काम का है. उससे करोति कुरुता कुर्वन्ति. हम लोग जो पढ़ाते हैं धातु क्रू धातु, नॉट डुक्रोइंग.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood,
यहाँ
sir.
से वो ठा है, ठा में जो श है वो किसी और काम के लिए है, पैकिंग की जगह उसको फेंक देना है, लेना सिर्फ था। ठीक है,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, ठीक है। एनीबडी एल्स कोऽपि प्रश्नः अस्ति वा?
Sir, page number 133, meaning of this sukti.
हाँ, 133. There is one जितक्रोधेन सर्वं हि जगत् एतद् विजीयते.
Jagat etat vijayate. What is that meaning?
Make the sandhi and then write it here. जगत एतद् अरे भाई गड़बड़ है, एतद् विजीयते. Now that jitakrodhena, that is a tritiya vibhakti. So what will happen? The first prathama vibhakti, jitakrodha.
Jitakrodha.
जितक्रोधः सर्वं हि now jagat, it is jagat jagati jaganti, jagat jagati jadaganti. So here sub same etat ete etani, etat ete etani. So both are actually here prathama vibhakti. Dvitiya vibhakti will also be the same. So jitakrodha sarvam hi jagat etad. Now here vijiyate, so upasarga will become v itself, no problem. And now jiyate, so what is the dhatu? Original dhatu is
G.
no, hold on, I will just
G.
go down. Okay, we'll write down that vijiyate. So remove the atmanepadi pratyaya te. Then you remove the karmani prayoga or bhavi prayoga, that ya. Now this G is originally, see the Vishesh Dhatava.
G, small G.
So see this Jiyate, original dhatu is G. So G dhatu lat lakare katham rupani bhavanti?
Jayati.
Jayati. Okay. So G Jayati. And V upasarga is that is there. So jitakrodha sarvam hi jagat etad vijayati. That is jitakrodha is a person who has controlled the anger. Jita krodha is anger, na? So jita krodha means a person who has conquered the anger. I mean, he doesn't get angry. Jita krodha etad sarvam jagat vijayati. He conquers the whole world. This entire world he conquers. A person who has conquered his own anger, he will win over, I mean, Jayati is win, na? So he will win the entire world. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
One question, sir.
Puchadu.
When Jayati Upasarga V is added, it converts to Atmanepadi, it becomes Vijayate.
Very good. Okay, I forgot that. Yes. When Upasarga V applied to G Dhatu, it changes its padam from Parasmapadi to Atmanepadi to Vijayate. Okay. in the one stotra is there, Ramakshastra there, Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate. So that I remember. Yes. Thank you, Krishna Kumar Mahodaya. See, these are more finer points. If somebody remembers that, very good. If doesn't remember, I mean, no marks will be cut, because that is not concerning to your understanding of how to convert bhave to kartari or kartari to bhave or karmani, right? Yes. Now shall we go to the next lesson? Okay, now nobody is saying yes and nobody is saying no. Huh? See, there is no.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
No. Here, see, remember this chart is applicable to all the lakaras. And both kartari, karmani, bhave, and all the other this. I mean, whatever, just 3 words in a sentence you have to remember. What is karta, what is karma, and what is kriya padam, and what is the dhatu. And these 4. And here I have given sarvatra lakara samana bhavet. So if you use lat lakara in say kartari, in karmani also it will be lat lakara. Bhave also lat lakara. If you use lot lakara in kartari, it will be lot lakara in karmani, lot lakara in bhave, right? If you use lang lakara in kartari, it will be lang lakara in karmani, lang lakara in bhave. If you use lut lakara in kartari, it will be lut lakara in karmani, lut lakara in the bhave. So lakara will be same across the prayogas. Then you have learnt recently Rung Lakara. So Rung Lakara will be same whether Kartari, Karmani or Bhavi. Only these rules you have to remember, whatever are given in this table. Okay. Now today, while doing some other one, I found out that.
Sir, one question.
Here,
Visheshan also should follow Visheshya, isn't it?
Yeah, Visheshan Vishesha Bhava has to be there. That is why I, in my other this one.
That is how Ekena Sanyasina.
Ekena Sanyasina. See here. Wait. See, Kartrupadasya Visheshanani, Karmapadasya Visheshanani. So, Kartrupadasya athva Karmapadasya, this one, Vibhaktim Anusrutyat Parivartanam Karniyam. That is, we have to keep in Visheshan Vishesha Bhava always in mind. So, if the Karta changes its Vibhakti from Prathama to Tritiya or Tritiya to Prathama, depending on its own Visheshanas will also change. So, Sanyas, Ekha Sanyasi, so Ekena Sanyasina. Okay. And Anyani Padani, that's what I said now, that some other sentence was there. Don't.
Yeah, yesterday we talked in many sentences, don't change other items.
Okay. Right? So now, shall we go to Bhishmam Eva Abhirakshantam? Okay, now here.
Yeah, we can go.
No, wait. Before that, I want to show you something else. Right? Now, in English also we say sometimes, a person who teaches is called, tell me. I write down here, English. A person who teaches is called what?
Acharya.
No, English itself, forget about that. Teacher. Now, in this sentence, is it? I'll reduce the font a little bit so that entire sentence is visible. Actually, this is a passive voice. A person who teaches is called teacher, right? Is a passive sentence, but the karta, object of the verb is not known. Who calls him teacher? Is it known?
Student.
No.
Student.
Why student? Why the society will not call him teacher?
General statement.
It is a general
Yeah, that's
statement. Huh? So in Sanskrit also, I mean, here I gave this example to show that many times the karta is omitted from kartari sentences or even karmani sentences. Okay. Now in Gita there are so many shlokas where something, okay, what is that? Karya karana kartrutve hetu prakriti uchyate. That uchyate is so many times in Gita. That is called, something is called something, but karta is by the society, by the people. Okay, karta is missing. So, sometimes even the kartari prayoga, I have found one or two examples. It is not coming by my mind. Yeah, but karmani and bhave prayoga, sometimes the karta is missing. That is what I am this one. Now, hi, Prakash Mother, you are asking something, na? Just before this, I said, let me show you something. Okay. Now we'll come to lesson number 20, page number 134. So, abhirakshantam.
Sir, how to translate then if we don't know the karta, like in English we are saying there are like that or it is, and what about in Sanskrit, sir?
नहीं, संस्कृत में आप कुछ भी बोल दीजिए, मैं बोलती हूँ, मतलब जो पढ़ाता है उसको टीचर ऐसा नाम मैं बोलती हूँ, या
अच्छा,
नहीं, जनाः वदन्ति, दैट्स ऑल.
जनाः जना उच्यते, अध्यापक शिक्षक.
जनाः वदन्ति और वचन्ति.
वचन्ति. ओके.
नहीं तो गीता में तो बहुत बढ़िया है. संजय उवाच, संजय ने बोला, मुझे नहीं मालूम संजय ने. ठीक है. या श्री भगवान उवाच, भगवान जी ने कहा था, हमें नहीं मालूम. ठीक है. अच्छा, भीष्ममेव अभिरक्षताम. नाउ आई विल ओपन दैट अदंत अंगेभ्यः प्रत्यय. लोट लकारः दृश्यते वा?
यस सर.
दृश्यते. सी लोट लकारः परस्मैपदी तु ता ताम अंतु ता तम त आनी आव आम त इताम अंताम स्व इथाम द्वम ऐ आवहै मह आमहे. So he has told bhave prayoga, karmani and bhave prayoga and lot lakar. So these are the only pratyas we have to bother about this. Okay. Tam itam antam swa itam dvam ai avahai amahe. So now, and another rule which our where is that? Okay, this and the other one. This table, that's all, nothing more. So Bhishmaha eva rakshatam. Abhi is upasarga, so we'll keep it as it is. So wait, अरे गड़बड़ है. भीष्म एव अभिरक्षताम्. Okay. So what is the English or Hindi में? Bhishma only should be protected. Okay. Or the SPG commandos, their job is Prime Minister only should be protected. Rest everything is secondary. That is what here Duryodhana tells. Now here the Karta is not known. Bhishma only should be protected by whom? By the persons whom he is telling. Duryodhana is telling Drona and the army that all of you have to protect Bhishma only, because if Bhishma falls, then our fall is definite. So Bhishma eva abhirakshatam. So now we'll change it to Kartari. Okay. Now this is karma prathama, so it will become dvitiya. So Bhishmam.
एव अभिरक्षतु.
एव अभिरक्षतु बिल्कुल ठीक है, लेकिन वो एक को नहीं बहुत सारे को लोग बोल रहा है.
अभिरक्षन्तु.
Here you have to remove the year also. Rakshantu. किसी को श्लोक याद है गीता का? कौन कौन करेगा? भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु. आगे भवन्तः सर्व एव हि. राइट, पहले चैप्टर में है भवन्तः, आप सब लोग भीष्म को ही प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे. ये दुर्योधन की आज्ञा है. इसको द्रोणाचार्य जी को. जो भवंता बोलता है तो सब पूरे आर्मी को बोलता है, अपने सेना को. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द कर्तरी ऑफ भीष्म एव अभिरक्षताम. दैट हियर in the Prathama Vibhakti it should have been Visarga. That Visarga has been dropped because of the Sandhi niyam that we will see next level. You take it granted that it is Bhishmaha eva abhirakshatam, and then Kartari Bhishmam eva abhirakshantu bhavantas sarva eva hi. Okay. Now who will read the lesson? Okay, or shall we go for as per the roll call? Anand Mohoday, Bhavan Padati va? न श्रूयते?
अहं पठामि सर्.
पठतु.
भीष्म एव अभिरक्षताम्.
उत्तमम्. अग्रे.
कर्मणि भावे प्रयोगः लोट् लकारः.
उत्तमम्. अग्रे.
दुर्योधनः आचार्य प्रणामः. कृपया उत्थीयताम्.
Utthiyataam. That's all. Forget about that. Now, so here bhave. Okay. And lot lakar. So who is the karta? Read the sense of this one.
Acharya.
No, Acharya, okay, but when he's telling, Duryodhana is telling Acharya, so that means Bhavan, Bhavata Uthiyatam.
Please be seated.
Huh? No, not seated. Please get up.
Oh.
नहीं, उत्थियताम, उठकर खड़े हुई है. Okay. So please just उत्थियताम is actually stand up. Please stand up.
Oh, not Upavishyatyam.
No, not upavishad. Okay. So उत्थियताम is उत्तिष्ठति. Okay, now so भवान कृपया उत्तिष्ठतु. So आप कृपया खड़े होइए. शीघ्रम समुत्थियताम. Utthyatam remains the same. Samutthita means properly. Please stand up properly.
Oh.
He is telling Acharya, but he is treating him like a servant. ठीक तरह से खड़े हो, ये क्या है ढीला ढाला.
दुर्योधन.
हाँ, दुर्योधना द्रोणाचार्य जी को बोल रहा है आचार्य. Please get up. I mean, please stand up. And then he says, please stand properly. सावधान में खड़े होना. Attention. सूर्योदय समासन्नः. Okay. सूर्योदय समासन्नः is सूर्योदय हो गया है. Asanna we will see, because asanna is a krudanta. This one we will not bother about that right now. Okay. Agre, who will read? Anybody?
द्रोणः वत्स भवता सावधानेन भूयताम्.
Okay. So bhavata means bhavan.
भवान् सावधानेन.
No, but savdhanena is a visheshan of, because both
विशेषण of भूयताम् is dhatu.
See here. What is that? Pratyas. Bhuyatam is lot lakar prathama purush. In Atmanepadi, this one. So, bhavatu, bhavan savadhanaha bhavatu.
Bhavatu.
Kartari is bhavan savadhanaha bhavatu. That is, you be alert.
Tvaraya kimapi na kriyatam.
Kriyatam. Okay. Now here, tvaraya is though tritiya, it is not the karta. Okay. Though it is tritiya vibhakti, the karta is still same, bhavata. Bhavata tvaraya kima. What is tvara? Anybody know?
Fast.
Tvara?
Don't hurry up. Don't hurry up.
Immediate.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Or urgent.
Tvara itself is the noun hurry. Okay. I mean HURRY, not harihi, hari, haraya. Okay. So in tvaraya means by a hurry, with hurry, or hurriedly. Bhavata kimapi na kriyatam. Now kriyatam will become to karotu. Bhavan tvaraya kimapi na karotu. Don't do anything hurriedly. You don't do anything hurriedly, right? So Duryodhana says, Guryavarya katham maya savdhanena bhuyatam. So now change this to maya savdhanena bhuyatam. Who will do?
कथम् अहं सावधानं भवति.
Tell me again. Aham savdhanaha.
Bhavami.
No. Lot lakar.
Lot lakar. Okay.
Bhavani.
Bhavani.
That is, how can I be alert? Simple. Okay. Now, Atankvata maya kimapi na kriyatam eva khalu. Now he is calling himself as Atanki. Okay. Atankvata maya. Both are Tritiya vibhakti, so Visheshan Vishesha Bhavaha. So what is Atankavata? Pratama vibhakti?
आतंकवान
Atankvan. Maya aham kimapi kriyatam is karvani. Now here, see the kartari prayog is becoming more difficult to understand at your level. Bhave or karmani is much more easier. That is why this lesson has been written. Okay. And I should not do anything in what is that? Atankwadis extreme. I should not do something in extremism. And vatsa janami bhavataha parishthitim. I know your condition. Vatsena dushyasenena api sannihitena bhuyatam khalu. What is sannihita?
Close by.
No, again same thing. Alert. Okay. So vatsana dushyasanaha api sannihitah bhavet khalu or bhavet. Okay. Bhavatu. Vatsaha dushyasanaha api sannihitah bhavatu khalu. He also should be alert now. I mean, he should not lose his concentration. Everything should be focused on the war. Ishaha vatsaha dushasanaha upasthitaha eva asti. So he is telling, yeah, Dushasana is also here, don't worry. So then Dushasana says, Acharya, one day I bow to you. Then Duryodhana says, Adish Shadam, Anantaram Kim Kriyatam iti. Now here, see, even in English, you'll find the in Lotlakar, the bhave or the karmani is much more easier to understand. Okay. Adishyatam. Now, who will change to kartari?
Adishyatu.
Adishyatu. But what is the karta?
Karta is the Acharya Drona.
No. That is in the actual drama, in the sentence. There's a difference.
Bhavan.
Huh? Yes, Narayan Mahodaya?
न वदामि.
No. Bhavan adishyata. Bhavata adishyatam. Let it be commanded by you. Hey, simple. Give the order. Please order. Karta is Bhavan. Okay. On the drama, on the stage, yes, Acharya is the Karta, but here in the sentence, Bhavan is the Karta. Now, Anantaram Kim Kriyatam. Now here, what is the meaning? Kim Kriyatam. Who is the Karta?
Bhavan.
No.
No, it is Duryodhana and others.
Vayam.
Maya.
Either Vayam or Avam. If you take together Duryodhan, Dushasan only, then Avam. Or Vayam, if you take in the entire Kauravas army and all that. So, either you said Avabhyam Kim Kriyatam or Vaya Asmabhi Kim Kriyatam. That means
Vayam Kim Kurvan.
Vayam Kim Karvama. Okay. Or Avam Kim Karvava. What should we do? Both, either Vivachan or Bhavajan. But say in English also, what should be done? Simple English. Same thing he says, Anantaram kim kriyatam. Afterwards, what should be done? Okay. By whom? By us. So that is much easier, na? So same thing. Anantaram kim kriyatam. So in Sanskrit, using this tam pratyaya is much more easier than saying the karta. Karta is understood. Okay. So as and when the example comes, I'll tell you. So people say kshamyatam is actually kshamaswa, or that in the kartari, it is, you have to define the karta. But here, just say kshamyatam is the person who is listening, he should pardon you. Right? Okay. Then shruyatam. Again, shruyatam means it is in karma bhave prayoga. So bhavadbihi shruyatam or yushmabhyam. Okay. Yushmavihi, or that is yushmavihi or yushmabhyam. Okay. So both of you listen, but just shruyatam. Anybody has read Sankshep Ramayana?
No.
Okay, anyway, Sankshep Ramayana I'll tell you later. But here Shruyatam, I will take it Bahuvachan simple. Yushmavihi Shruyatam, that means let it be listened by all of you. But what? What is the karma? Karma is also not told here, that what is going to follow is his. Please listen now. That is the next sentence itself is entire karma. प्रथमं सर्वसैन्याधिपः सर्वसेना संरक्षकः भीष्म पितामहः प्रबोध्यताम. Okay, so Bhishma should be properly instructed. This is the thing. By whom? By both of you or by your commanders. Okay. Pratamam.
Sir, this yeah, sir, yes, Shruyatam, it is only Dvivajanam, no, sir?
No. It is Prathama Ekvachanam. Tam pratyaya. See here.
Acha, okay. Atmanepati.
Atmanepadi, because it is in bhave prayoga or karmani prayoga. Here neither karta is there nor karma is there.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
So karta is say bhavan or bhavantaha. Bhavadbihi shruyatam. That is the karta is bhavantaha. But that is karma is whatever I am going to tell. That itself, what is follows after this, that is karma. The entire sentence, like a clause in English. So here neither karta is there nor karma is there, but still the sentence makes some sense. So shruyatam, please listen. Prathamam sarvasainyadhipaha, that is the commander of the entire army. Sarvasena Samrakshakaha, the protector of the entire army. Bhishma Pitamaha Prabodhyatam. He should be, instructed, what should be done or whatever it is. The plan, the Kaurav Sena, the strategy has to be told to him. Duryodhana says, Astu, tatra bhavatam snananushthanaadikam shigram parisamapyatam. Okay. Snanam samapyatam. Snanam is the karma. Okay. Snanam parisamapyatam. So, bhavan snanam samapayatu shigram. That is the karta. Tatra bhavatah sahayyartham dushyasanena eva sthiyatam. So, tatra bhavatah sahayyartham dushyasanah atra eva tishtatu. Sthiyatam becomes tishtatu. Let Dushasan stay here for helping you in all this. Vatsa bhavata atreva bhuyatam. Now he is telling Dushasana. Vatsa bhavan atreva bhavatu. You be here only. Anushthananantaram acharya ranakshetram aniyatam. Acharya should be brought to the battlefield. Okay. He's saying, please bring Acharya after he finishes his snana and all that. Please bring him to the battlefield. So Anushthananantaram Acharyaha Ranakshetram Aniyatam. See here, karma is there, karta is not there. Karta is bhavata. Bhavata Acharyaha Aniyatam. Bhavan Acharyam Anayatu. Ranakshetram, okay. But Ranakshetram is Dvitiya, but it has nothing to do with the Kartari Karmani. That is a destination. So, Astu. Vatsa tatapurvam bhavata gatva karnam uchyatam. So, bhavan gatva tatapurvam means before that. Bhavan gatva karnam vadatu or vadatu. We'll take it this. So, before that you go and tell Karna what? Mama purva suchana anusaram viha viracchatam. So here in this class, the karta is Karna. So Karnaha vihaha viracchatam. Or rather Karnena vihar. As per my earlier instruction, the formation should be made of the army. Okay. Mama purva suchana anusaram Karnaha viham virachatu. Let Karna make the this one formation of the army. Ashvaha, Gajaha, Rathaha, Padataya, Sarve Sainikaha cha Yatha Sthanam Sthapyantam. Sthapyantam. Okay. That is in the Antam, Bahuvachan Pratyaya. So, Ashvaha Sthapyantam, Gajaha Sthapyantam, Rathaha Sthapyantam. Let them be positioned. Okay. Where Yatha Sthanam. जिसकी जहां जगह निश्चित की गई है वहां पे वो चला जाए. But that somebody has to ensure, na? So Sthapyantam, Karna should ensure that. Iti, matlab, this much you tell him. Aham anantaram tatraiva drushyai. Okay. Aham drushyai. What is this?
This Lot Lakara.
Huh?
Lot Lakara Uttama Purusha.
Uttama Purusha. Okay. So aham drushyai. That means I will be seen. Okay. There. I mean, Lot Lakara. I mean, that means Karnaha mam tatra pashyatu. Tatraiva. Karna will see me there only. But it is a style of telling that I will be seen there itself. I mean, I will be there, so everybody will see me. So here again, karta is missing. Okay, that's what I said. Now, many times karta is missing. You have to put from your own pocket. यदि अपेक्षते भवानेव स्वयं सहायकत्वेन स्वीक्रियताम् इति. So here if required, you only try to help. Yes. Sahayakatvena svikriyatam. So bhavaneva swayam sahayakatvam svikkarotu. And you become the assistant of Karna if required. अस्तु इति गतः। सर्वे भीष्मः द्रोणः कर्णः कृपः दुर्योधनः दुःशासनः च रणाङ्गणे स्थिताः। Then Acharya says, Karna says, Acharya pranamami. Drona says, Vatsa yashovata samedhyatam. Okay. Now what is this samedhyatam? I will open the dhatu patha. Eda dhatu. Eda vruddhau. Atmanepadi. Edate, edate, edante. And in the that some edhyatam. So remove the Atmanepadi pratyaya, then ya pratyaya you get eda. That is us, and upasarga is sama. So bhavan, samedatu. Here lot lakar. Bhavan samedam. You grow, yashovata. Your success should grow. Acharya mama api eshaha namaskaraha. Bhishma says.
Mahodaya, that Yashovata, what is the form of it? It's
Yashovan.
Prathama. Okay.
Yashovan is that same, na? I said Satyavan, Satyavati.
Shanat Pratyaya.
No, it is not Shanas Pratyaya, it is a Tadlit Pratyaya. Don't.
Okay.
It is like Dhana, Dhanavan, Guna, Gunavan. So Yashas, Yashovan. We have done it in our this one. Halanti Pattanam Vibhakti Pratyaya. That and wherever A is there it is what, that what pratyaya one, and where other than A is there, E or anything, then it mat, buddhiman, kirtiman, like that. So yashovata samedhyatam. Acharya mama api esha namaskara. Then Drona says, Pitamaha maya eva nanu khala bhavan abhivadyatam. Okay, now here beautiful conversation. Maya eva nanu bhavan abhivadyatam means aham eva nanu bhavantam abhivadaye. Okay, or I only should bow to you, not you, your boy. I mean, they are both are great people. One is Pitamaha, other is the Acharya Drona. One is doing wishing other fellows. No, I only should wish you that this one. What Bhishma says, Maya eva abhivadyatam. I only should do this. Athava avabhyam avam anyonyam abhivandya vahai. We should do each other same. Okay. Abhivandya vahai. Drona says, Astu avabhyam parasparam hasta grihyantam. Parasparam hastaha grihyantam. Okay. Let our hands be, handshake. That's all, nothing else. Avabhyam means vayam parasparam hastan, and what will be the grihyantam will become grunnan. Let me see, graha dhatu. Graha padane in the lot lakar. Grahi, no, lot la grunnama. Vayam parasparam hastan grunnama. Acharya, agamyatam atra. Agamyatam, see here. Now it karta is not mentioned and this is a bhave prayoga. So agachhatu atra, simple. Please come here. प्रियमित्रेण कर्णेन भवतः सूचनाम अनुसृत्य विवाह रचितः. Though this is Krudanta will, so Karna has done as per your instructions. He has done all this. Idanim vikshatam. Idanim bhavan vikshatu. You please see. Karna says, Mahashaya, rataha yatra sthapyantam iti suchita tatra sthapitaha. Where he had told me to place the chariots, I have placed them there. इमे गजाः इमे अश्वाः एते पदातयः च अवलोक्यन्ताम्. अवलोक्यन्ताम्, भवान् अवलोकयतु. You please see. These are the horses, these are the, I mean, he's just explaining in that chart or a map that our elephants are here, horses are here, chariots are there here. Astu vyuhapatram pathyatam. Vyuhapatram is same, that map or whatever. Read this. Mama uttariyam kinchit unniyatam. Uttariyam is that, what to say, angavastram. Please lift my angavastram, that is unniyata, unnayatu. Acharya, तव धीमता शिष्येण दृष्टद्युम्नेन व्यूढ़ा चमुहु दृश्यताम. व्यूढ़ा चमुहु is the प्रथमा विभक्ति. चमुहु, चमु, चमवाहा. Okay, like वधुहु, वधु, वधवाहा. दीर्घ उकारांत स्त्रीलिंगी शब्द चमु. चमु means army. दृष्टद्युम्नेन व्यूढ़ा army. The army which has been, I mean, the planning has been done by Drishtadyumna. And Tava Dhimata Shishyena is the Visheshan for Drishtadyumna. Tatra Maheshwasaha Shuraha Bhima Arjuna Sama Santi. This you already know. There so many Bhima people like Bhima and Arjuna are there. Sakhe Paresham Vishay Chinta Tyajatam Bhavata. Paresham Vishay means about others. Chinta Tyajatam Bhavata. Bhavan Chintam Tyajatu. I mean, leave the worry for others. Asmakam Janaha Nayakaha Ganyantam. Asmakam Janaha Ganyantam. Please count our own people. And actually in English it will be, please our people be counted. But it is in the Karmani sense. So, Bhavan Asmakam Janan Ganayantu. Dvijattama Mama Sainyasya Nayakaha Ete. Astu Shravyantam. Now Shruyatam and Shravyantam. What is the difference? Shruyatam is
hear and be heard.
Huh?
Hear and be heard.
I'm not your voice.
Hear,
Huh?
now hear and be heard.
Be heard. So in Hindi, Shruyatam is suniye, Shravyatam is sunaiye. Okay. Tell me, that is the thing. Shravyantam. And then he goes on telling Bhavan, Bhishmaha, Krupaha, Ashwathama, Vikarnaha, Bhurishrava, Ete Karnadaya, Anyepi, Madarte, Tyakta Jivita, and all that. And most of you might have read that shloka, na? Bhavan, Bhishmascha, Karnascha, Krupascha, Samitinjaya, and all that. So, nothing more. Pratihatam, Amangalam, Jivitani Nat Tyajantam. Okay. So, when he says Madate Tyakta Jivitaha, that they all sacrifice their lives for me. So Bhishma says, no, don't kill them right now. I mean, he doesn't want his army to be killed. Commander wants his army to stay alive and defeat the others. So that is what he says. Pratihatam amangalam. I mean, when Duryodhana says they have sacrificed their lives for me, so Bhishma says, no, don't utter bad words right now. Jivitani na tyajantam. So Bhavan jivitani na tyajatu. I mean, don't discard their lives right now. So Acharya अनेन भीष्माभिरक्षितेन अस्माकं बलेन पर्याप्तेन न भूयते. So this is totally karmani. I don't know how to translate into kartari in English. That this our army, which has been protected or led by Bhishma, is not sufficient. Paryaptena na bhuyate. Paryaptam na bhavati. Our army is not sufficient. That is, I mean, this is his own words. तेन भीष्माभिरक्षितेन पांडवानां सैन्येन पर्याप्तेन भूयते इति मन्ये. That the army led by Bhima, I mean the army of Pandavas, is sufficient. Is what iti manye, aham manye, I feel. No, we'll not go into the actual. I mean, there are various commentaries on that. Just on this sentence, that why is calling when their army was much bigger, why is calling this is insufficient? I don't know. वत्स सातंकर उदयन भवता अवाच्यम उच्यते. So avachyam uchyate. Avachyam is what should not be told. Avachya is being told by you. Bhavata uchyate. I mean, Bhavan vadati. Kim avachyam vadati. जो बोलना नहीं चाहिए वो बोल रहा है. सातंकर उदयन. That is, you are disturbed. Atank in your mind. आचार्य एतेन वृद्धेन पितामहेन किमपि चिन्त्यतां नाम. सो एषः वृद्धः पितामहः किमपि चिन्तयतु. नाम इज जस्ट maybe, okay, only anything he may think. भीष्म पितामह भवद्भिः सर्वैः यथा भागं यथा स्थानम् अवस्थितैः भूयताम्. भवन्तः सर्वे यथा भागं यथा स्थानम् अवस्थितः भवन्तु. You all be positioned as per the plan wherever you have been told to be there. वत्स भीष्मस्य रक्षणम् एव अस्माकं मुख्यम्. Our aim is to protect Bhishma. That's all. Rest he will take care. अस्तु अयं भीष्मः एव सर्वैः अभिरक्षताम्. So सर्वे भीष्मम् एव अभिरक्षन्तु. वत्स मा भीयताम्. So don't be afraid. Now bhi dhatu is, I am not aware of the rupas. Let us see bhi. बिभेति लोट लकार बिभेतु माँ बिभेतु. I mean, भवान माँ बिभेतु. माँ भीयताम is don't be afraid. अहम खलु भीष्मः नाम्ना क्रियया च. My name is not only Bhishma, but my kriya is also Bhishma is Bhayankar na. Drishyatam Shruyatam cha ha ha ha. Drishyatam Shruyatam Pashyatu Shrunotu cha. Who? Bhavan. Karta is Bhavan. Bhavan Pashyatu Bhavan Shrunotu cha. Shankham Dhamati. He blows the conch. Sarve Bhishma Abhirakshantam. Abhirakshatam. So that means Sarve Bhishmam Abhirakshantu. Bhishma Abhirakshatam. Bhishmena Jiyatam. Bhishmena Jiyatam. Bhishmaha Jayatu. Okay. So this is in Lot Lakar. Right. If you have some problem, please try to understand the meaning word by word after this and come back with any difficulties. And unless you do the exercise on your own, you will not understand. So try to do exercises as given in the book and come back. Maybe there are some mistakes in the print answers or this one. We will take up with Sanskrit Bharati. Don't be afraid of that. And this website is already there with you. And on page 137, he has given the Vyasa for changing the verbs. Rakshatu rakshatam, labatu labhyatam, nayatu niyatam, sevatam, sevyantam, and all that. So nobody, I mean, people were so much diffident, nobody came forward to read the lessons or lines also. Very good. अस्तु इदानीम् अस्मिन् पाठे केपि सन्देहाः सन्ति वा? अत्र केपि सन्देहाः न सन्ति तर्हि इदानीम् अहं शेर् ऐ विल् स्टाप् शेरिङ्ग्. अस्तु.
पठनस्य अन्तरं पृच्छामि.
अस्तु, उत्तमम् उत्तमं महोदय, उत्तमः सङ्कल्पः. Decision is very well taken. Now I will stop here, then we can discuss if anything is there. So I'll say Shanti Mantra and we'll stop. भवन्तु
महोदय.
हाँ महोदय वदतु.
क्षम्यताम्. इतः परं कक्षायां सर्वैरपि कर्मण्येव उच्यते.
न श्रूयते. इतः परं
कक्षायां सर्वैरपि कर्मण्येव उच्यन्ताम् इति.
सत्यम्. Everybody should participate. That is what Prabhakar Mahodaya says. So not that I am reading each sentence and people are just listening as pravachanam. Okay. Next time onwards, please participate. Okay. Now another yeah.
Sir, one suggestion. For everybody's participation, no, for reading the lesson, you please call sequence-wise, name by name.
Okay. Yes.
What happens now that we want to see say something, we'll say immediately.
Okay.
So with this type of setup, especially e-learning, this will be a better option.
Okay. Very good. Good suggestion. Well taken.
Thank you.
Okay. Astu.
Sir, I have construction activity at my place, so if I unmute, there will be disturbance.
No
so
problem.
I'm totally
no, that may be just temporary problem. It may go off after some time.
Yes.
No, well taken. But next time onwards, I accept this suggestion that I will go by role. I mean, in the alphabetical sense. So every time Anandmaya will always be the first one. Okay, and I think Shraddha Bhagini will be at the end. And maybe next time we'll go the reverse way. So Shraddha Bhagini.
Doesn't matter, sir. That happens.
No, no. What I will do today, I will post those who are present today, maybe those who are taken leave for some, I mean, those who are regular attendees. I'll make a list alphabetically and then we will follow this rule. Okay. So first is Anandmay, then Aruna, then Jayalakshmi and all.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay.
Yes, sir. No problem. Actually, I have some network issue today, so while I was speaking, somehow it was got mute.
No problem. Okay, no problem. If any technical problem is there, that is always well taken. I mean, somebody loses the internet connection at some time. Sometimes the
I have to
mobile
no
or
problem, sir. I have to rejoin.
doesn't work. So these are technical. Even one day it happened with me. My internet connection was unstable, so we called off the day. They are extra. I mean, beyond our control problem. So we will live with that. So,
sir, may I go from class? I want to Parijaya.
Just 1 minute.
Okay.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः अस्तु महोदय भवान् गन्तुं शक्नोति